Hey there, that was cool. As soon as I turned it on, I saw an orb hanging out by my shoe. Hey, how's it going? Hey there. Howdy.
Yeah, now at the same time, Korea and Japan do seem to be taking it to a different level.
Whoa, that was quick.
All the popular bands are not only super young, but wear schoolgirl outfits. And now they're in 2012, Korea even past once, they realize it, and they're trying to say, okay, look, God, too much, right? Because all the videos were incredibly sexually suggestive.
Did you guys hear that? I don't know if you could pick that up on the audio, but right behind me, up there, I don't know, it just sounded like a squishy motion. I'm not kidding you, it sounded like a squishy motion. I hope that you guys could hear that on the recording. That was a weird sound. I don't know what that means. I definitely noticed hearing some weird sounds lately. Unexpected sounds. That was really cool. Those are two of them.
Yeah, but it's not amazing though. I want to reiterate Anna's point one last time. Like, it's on a personal
That was incredibly fast.
creepy, right? Could you imagine if Jimmy actually asked your wife, hey, can you dress up like a lawyer?
I have no idea what that was. That seemed like a white cloud. I don't have a cigarette going. Haven't had one for a while. Don't know what that was. Whoa, another really fast one. Anyone else like that first one that is going a little bit slower? Yeah, like that one. Thanks for responding so quickly. I appreciate that.
By the way, I'm not giving pedophiles excuses. Like, they're terrible people. They should be prosecuted. But if we have certain laws...
Man, I'm gonna end. As much as I enjoy this, the background topic on the internet right now on YouTube is not a topic I want to hear about. There was that one that looked like, kind of like smoke. Man, that was really cool. You sure look like that orb I've been seeing the last 3 days now. If you are, it'd be cool if you could somehow let me know I'm right. Or if I'm wrong, I suppose. But
But it's gotta be really, like, out there. You see what I'm saying? It's gotta be advertised. Okay, if you're advertising, okay, I'm a consumer.
not a big fan of the Young Turks on the internet, on YouTube. They cover some really just topics I don't want to hear about. Anyway, I'm gonna turn this off and download this and make some room. And hopefully you guys are still here when I get back. So, see you in a bit.